So my name is Frederick. I'm from Denmark. I'm 32 years old, and I work both in as a yoga teacher, but also in the hospitality business in restaurant. It was a little bit coincidence. It was back in April. I've been looking for yoga teacher training for a while, but I didn't want to find something in Bali or Thailand. I needed something a bit closer, so this just came up, the Alpha Yoga School, and it looked really good. And then so it was partly to get a better practice myself, but also to learn like adjustments I really wanted to dive deeper into, more advanced asanas, but also just grow personally, physically and mindfully. My favorite part was probably, the morning meditation was really nice. The adjustment as well, absolutely, and the different workshops we did on arm balances, handstands, and just the hours as well with vinyasa, just practicing vinyasa. There were some really skilled teachers, so that has been a really good experience. Yeah, I would say that it's amazing how big amount of knowledge I was able to gain in such a little time. So just in 3 weeks, gaining so much more knowledge and adding so much new things to my own skill set has been really impressive. I didn't know I was able to learn this much in such a short time. So it's been really intense, but I would say that in the whole is has been the best part. Absolutely, I would. It's often you go online and you look for things, but you don't have any personal, experience with it, and you read something, but you never know how it's really going to be. It's always, you never really know what you're going to get. So I would definitely recommend this, and also since I've been here, I've had the experience myself, so it's easy also to say back home to students and other teachers, this is a qualified place to go. So yeah. I would say that even though it's vinyasa teacher training, there's so many more things to it. So it's not just physical movement, it's also anatomy, it's philosophy, it's meditation, it's pranayama, it's pratyahara. There's so many layers to it. So you should definitely do it if you like vinyasa style, but there's so many reasons also so many more reasons to do the course than just that.